I want to share with you the romantic story about how I met the love of my life, BISSELL. It all started with my pretty useless ex-partner. He couldn't mop the floors, so I bought an illegal mop head attachment, and then I got cancelled. The vacuuming community was up in arms, and the story made it to the news because the company my ex-partner worked for ended up releasing a statement denouncing what I had done. Feeling deflated and like I've let the vacuuming community down, I turned to the internet, where I was surprised to find many people comment that I needed to get a BISSELL CrossWave, that it's changed their life somehow. And I thought to myself, okay, I could get a BISSELL. And then it happened. I found one, my own BISSELL. And I'll tell you what, it was love at first sight. The first thing I did was use BISSELL on the floors in the office and mopped and vacuumed them at the same time. I was so enamored with BISSELL that I decided to take him away on a romantic getaway to Noosa, where we laid by the pool, shared a laugh, had a cocktail and had a delicious seafood lunch. And then this happened. Now, did you want milk? Oh, bugger. Oh, I'm so sorry. I've spilt your coffee everywhere. Do you mind? Do you mind getting that? Look, I tell everyone, my best friend can clean floors like no one else. Here you go. This is a long black. There you go. How about some crackers? Oh, bugger! Actually, huge favour. Do you mind getting this as well? I'll make sure your coffee doesn't... Oh, God, I'm so sorry. I've spilled coffee all over the biscuits. If you could just sort that out for me, thank you. This is why we're besties, because I make a mess and you clean it up. And you've done a very good job, except you've just got a bit of coffee and a bit of biscuit in your... You need to clean yourself up now. If you could just deal with that, that'd be amazing. Doesn't someone smell fresh and handsome? Shall we go lay by the pool again? Let's go to the pool. I think it's really important that we all find someone that will clean up our mess for us. And then they'll go and they'll clean themselves up. We don't have to do anything. Me and my BISSELL are lifelong best friends. Some might even say lovers.